Madonna, the Queen of Pop. Madonna Louise Ciccone, known mononymously as Madonna, is one of the most iconic figures in popular culture. Often referred to as the Queen of Pop, Madonna has had an unparalleled influence on music, fashion, and contemporary culture since the early 1980s. With a career spanning over 4 decades, she is not only one of the best-selling music artists of all time but also a symbol of reinvention, feminism, and artistic expression. Madonna's impact transcends music, as she has consistently pushed boundaries, challenged societal norms, and inspired generations with her unapologetic approach to her art and life. Early life and background. Birth and family. Madonna was born on August 16, 1958, in Bay City, Michigan, and raised in the Detroit suburb of Rochester Hills. She was the third of 6 children in a Catholic Italian-American family. Her father, Silvio Ciccone, was an engineer designer for Chrysler and General Motors, and her mother, Madonna Fortin, was a homemaker. Madonna's mother passed away from breast cancer when she was only 5 years old, a tragedy that profoundly affected her and influenced much of her later work. Education and early interests. Madonna attended St. Frederick's and St. Andrew's Catholic elementary schools, and later, West Middle School. She was a bright student, known for her high grades, and she participated in various school activities, including cheerleading. Her interest in dance led her to study ballet under Christopher Flynn, who encouraged her to pursue a career in dance. After graduating from high school, Madonna received a dance scholarship to the University of Michigan. However, her ambitions were too big for the Midwest, and in 1978, she dropped out of college and moved to New York City with just $35 in her pocket. This bold move marked the beginning of her journey to superstardom. Rise to fame. Early struggles in New York. In New York, Madonna initially struggled to make ends meet. She worked various jobs, including as a waitress at Dunkin' Donuts and as a dancer for other artists. During this time, she joined several bands, including The Breakfast Club and Emmy, where she began to develop her skills as a musician and performer. In 1982, Madonna signed a deal with Sire Records, a subsidiary of Warner Bros. Records. Her debut single, Everybody, was released that year, followed by Burning Up in 1983. Both singles became hits in the dance clubs, paving the way for her self-titled debut album, Madonna, which was released in July 1983. The album included hits like Holiday, Borderline, and Lucky Star, establishing her as a rising star in the music industry. Breakthrough with Like a Virgin. Madonna's breakthrough came with the release of her second album, Like a Virgin, in 1984. The title track became her first #1 single on the Billboard Hot 100, and the album itself topped charts around the world. The song's provocative lyrics and Madonna's performance at the inaugural MTV Video Music Awards, where she appeared in a wedding dress and writhed on the stage, generated both controversy and massive publicity. Like a Virgin made Madonna a household name and set the stage for her to become one of the most talked about and influential artists of the decade. Her bold, sexual image, combined with her catchy pop tunes, made her an icon of the 1980s. Iconic albums and singles. True Blue and Like a Prayer. In 1986, Madonna released True Blue, an album that showcased her growth as an artist. It included hits like Papa Don't Preach, Open Your Heart, and Live to Tell. The album topped the charts in 28 countries, further cementing her status as a global superstar. In 1989, Madonna released Like a Prayer, one of her most critically acclaimed albums. The title track, with its controversial music video featuring religious imagery, sparked debates and was condemned by the Vatican, yet it became one of her most iconic songs. The album demonstrated her willingness to tackle complex themes such as religion, sexuality, and family. Erotica and Ray of Light. In 1992, Madonna released Erotica, an album that was accompanied by her coffee table book Sex, filled with explicit photographs. The album and book courted controversy but also reflected Madonna's unabashed exploration of sexual themes. In 1998, Madonna released Ray of Light, an album that marked a significant departure from her earlier work. Influenced by her interest in spirituality and Eastern religions, the album featured a more mature and introspective Madonna. The electronic sound of the album, along with hits like Frozen and the title track Ray of Light, earned her critical acclaim and several Grammy Awards. Continual reinvention. Throughout the 2000 and 2010, Madonna continued to reinvent herself with albums like Music, 2000, Confessions on a Dance Floor, 2005, and MDNA, 2012. Each of these albums showcased different aspects of her musical and personal evolution, from the techno influences in Music to the disco revival in Confessions on a Dance Floor. Acting and other ventures. Film career. Madonna's foray into acting has been met with mixed reviews. While she faced criticism for some of her performances, such as in Shanghai Surprise, 1986, and Swept Away, 2002, she also delivered noteworthy performances in films like Desperately Seeking Susan, 1985, and A League of Their Own, 1992. Her portrayal of Eva Peron in the 1996 film Evita is perhaps her most acclaimed role, earning her a Golden Globe Award for Best Actress. The film's soundtrack, particularly the song Don't Cry for Me Argentina, was a commercial success. Entrepreneurship and philanthropy. Beyond music and film, Madonna has been involved in various business ventures, including her fashion label, Material Girl, fitness centers under the brand Hard Candy, and her skincare line, MDNA Skin. Madonna is also known for her philanthropic efforts. She founded the charity Raising Malawi in 2006, which aims to support orphans and vulnerable children in Malawi. Her commitment to social causes has been evident throughout her career, from her advocacy for LGBTQ rights to her support for women's empowerment. Cultural impact and legacy influence on music and pop culture. Madonna's influence on pop music is immeasurable. She is often credited with redefining the role of women in the music industry, paving the way for future female artists to express themselves freely and assert their independence. Her ability to reinvent herself has kept her relevant across decades, a feat few artists have achieved. Madonna's visual style, from her Material Girl persona to her Vogue era, has also had a lasting impact on fashion and pop culture. Her bold fashion choices have inspired countless designers and have been emulated by fans worldwide. Feminism and sexuality. Madonna's approach to feminism and sexuality has sparked significant debate over the years. She has been both criticized and praised for her explicit exploration of sexual themes, with many viewing her as a trailblazer who challenged the status quo. Her work often explores the intersections of power, gender, and identity, making her a significant figure in the discussion of feminism in pop culture. Madonna has consistently advocated for women's rights and LGBTQ rights, using her platform to speak out against injustice and discrimination. Her activism, combined with her artistic work, has made her a symbol of empowerment for many. Later career and current activities. Recent works. In recent years, Madonna has continued to release new music and tour globally. Her 2019 album Madam X saw her experimenting with global sounds and featured political themes, reflecting her ongoing commitment to innovation and social commentary. Madonna's Madam X tour was a more intimate affair, showcasing her ability to adapt her performance style to different settings. Despite facing health issues during the tour, she remains a dynamic live performer, known for her elaborate stage productions and energetic performances. Personal life. Madonna has been married twice, first to actor Sean Penn from 1985 to 1989, and later to director Guy Ritchie from 2000 to 2008. She has 6 children, including 2 biological children, Lords Leon and Rocco Ritchie, and 4 adopted children from Malawi. Despite the controversies and challenges in her personal life, Madonna has maintained a strong sense of self, often speaking about the importance of motherhood and spirituality in her life. Madonna is a cultural icon whose influence extends far beyond music. As a singer, actress, entrepreneur, and activist, she has continuously challenged societal norms and redefined what it means to be a female artist in the modern era. Her ability to reinvent herself, coupled with her unwavering commitment to artistic expression and social causes, has solidified her place as one of the most significant figures in contemporary culture. Madonna's legacy is one of empowerment, innovation, and resilience, making her an enduring symbol of pop culture and a trailblazer for future generations.